Kinds of noun. Kinds of noun. Okay. Mainly, nouns are classified into two types. What are those? Those are concrete noun, concrete noun, and abstract noun. Abstract noun. Concrete noun is the noun, that means the name of that things which have its physical existence. That means we can touch, touch, see, hear, and smell those things. That means the name of those are called concrete noun, right? That means which has physical existence. For example, if I am telling that table, table, we can touch it, we can see it. So the table is the name of this material, and so it is a noun, concrete noun, right? Now what are the abstract nouns? That means the names of the feelings, quality, adjectives types of the words are called abstract noun. We cannot touch, see, or smell abstract noun. So we can feel, we can feel it, right? I am giving some example. I am giving result, result, beauty, beauty, honesty. We cannot see these things. These can be feel. Okay. So categorically, we are classifying noun into two types. One is abstract noun and another is concrete noun. Here I am giving few example with sentence in sentences. The horse is a faithful animal. The horse is a faithful animal. Okay. Here horse is a concrete noun. Hmm? Another example I am giving. Delhi is an ancient town. Delhi is an ancient town. Okay, ancient town. So your town is a noun and Delhi is a also noun. Okay. So what you will write the definition of a concrete noun? A concrete noun is one that names a concrete object. For example, place, person, material, or collection of things, or uh, persons, etc. Hmm? In one sentence, a concrete noun is one that names a concrete object. That names a concrete object. This is the one line definition of concrete noun. Again, the concrete noun can be divided into four types. Here I am giving you. Concrete noun, right? It can be classified further. Number one, proper noun. Number two, common noun. And number three, material noun. Material noun. And number four, collective noun. Collective noun. Okay. So the concrete noun can be divided into four types. Hmm? The name of proper noun means the name of person, place, or things is proper noun. Common nouns, that means common things, place or person, right? What are common things? If I am telling animal, people, so these are the common names. And material nouns, the name of the materials. And collective nouns, the groups. Oh, the groups means uh, the collection of the many, like person, society, eh, like that, which I told you for common things. uh, I example the common name, right? Another thing which I want to say you about concrete noun is that a concrete noun may be countable and uncountable. Concrete noun may be countable and uncountable. Countable means which can be count, uncountable means which cannot be count. For example, if I am telling you table, mango, coin, so these are the names that can be count. But what cannot be count? If I am telling water, milk, hmm? So these are the quantity materials. These cannot be counted. So on the counting basis, the concrete noun is of two types, countable and uncountable. Okay. Again, here I am giving few examples of those nouns which I told you. First of proper noun, because it was something confusing. Proper noun. Example number one. Paris is the capital of France. Paris is the capital of France. That will be capital France, right? Number two, uh, Akbar was king of Mughal dynasty. Okay, so these are the example of proper noun. Okay, uh, another I am giving you the example of common noun. In the next, I am giving you example of common noun. Number two, common noun, because previously I could not give properly the name of common things. I am giving it these in sentences. Like the train stopped at the station. The train stopped at the station. Right? At the station. Second, I am given the dog is very faithful animal. Here train is a common noun. The dog is a faithful animal, right? Here the dog is a common noun and animal is also a common noun. Okay. Second, the third I am giving here mentioning the material noun. Example of material noun. Number 1. Example of a material. Bread is made of flour. Okay. Here flour is a material. Similarly, if I am telling a table is made of wood. So here wood is a material noun. And number 3, one example again I am giving here. This board is of steel. Here steel is a material noun. Next, I am giving the example of collective noun. 4 number example of collective noun. Right? Collective noun. Our class is going on. First example, our class is going on. Here class is a collective noun. Why class? Because it is showing the different various students, group of collection of various students. Second example, our army is well equipped. Well equipped. Here army is a collective noun. Collective of the armed forces. Third example, a herd of cattle is in the field. Here herd is a name of